guys, how's it going? We are going to be making pad see ew. It's actually translated as stir-fried soy sauce. Like, who the hell? We all fry with soy sauce, right? So come on, let me show you what you need. You're gonna need about a pound of pork, chicken, whatever you like, because you know you gotta just do. And then you get these noodles, okay? These noodles are fresh rice noodles. They actually come frozen, and they are a bitch. I recommend sticking to the other stuff. Just saying. You're gonna need some eggs, lots of garlic, as much as you like, some palm sugar, and then my little mixture, my little secret mixture. And then you'll also need some Chinese broccoli. If you don't have Chinese broccoli, you can use regular broccoli. And don't throw away the stems. Cut them up. It's real good. But you want to separate the leafy part from the hard part, because you're going to cook that first. Alright? So come on. Let's see what I'm going to do next. Guys, how easy was that? Like, so stupidly easy, right? Look at this. Oh my God. I'm gonna eat it. Yes, and I'm eating it right out of here because it's mine. You ain't over here. Trust me, you don't know what goes on behind closed doors. Like when you go to your friend's house, do you see them cooking? Just saying. Gotta blow it. It's gonna get hot. Y'all ever do that to your kids before you put it in their mouth? That was absolutely, oh my God, delicious. I just need more to eat. How about you?